Hello everyone, Larry with Larry the Computer Guy here. We're an IT managed service provider in Commerce, Michigan. We specialize in cybersecurity and compliance. So for this week, what are the malware breaches that we're seeing? First of all, Alabama, Chilton County had a ransomware incident. Malwarebytes researchers found pre-installed unremovable malware in the American Network Solutions smartphone, which is provided to low-income households and families under the U.S. government's Lifeline Assistance Program. According to Digital Shadows, there are 15 billion usernames and passwords in circulation on criminal forums and marketplaces across the dark web. The United States Department of Education was exploited. They had unsecured database. United States Department of Education, federal government agency. Canada, Heartland Farm Mutual, an insurance company, had an email account compromised and exploited. May's ransomware actors claim to have attacked Xerox Corporation and stolen more than 100 gigabytes of files. Have a great day, stay safe out there.